and noises, and we were like, what's going on? I thought the show was over. I thought everyone was gone. And then we came back out and we decided we wanted to play more songs. So is that okay? And then we're just gonna play Kent covers all night. With Pac-Man. That's awesome. I'm a big fan of Pac-Man. So, hey, we have acoustic instruments. We can hear you better, so sing louder.